Hey there, fresh engineers and graduates. Let's talk about something near and dear to my heart, efficiency. And no, I'm not just talking about making your workshop tools sing. I'm talking about industrial engineering, the unsung hero of the modern world. It's about figuring out how things work, finding the bottlenecks, and then optimizing the heck out of them. From the sleek design of your smartphone to the lightning-fast delivery of your online orders, IE is quietly working its magic behind the scenes. Every revolution needs its leaders, and the IE revolution was no different. Let's meet some of the rock stars who shaped this field. Frederick Winslow Taylor, the OG efficiency expert. Frank and Lillian Gilbreth, the power couple of motion study, used photography to analyze movements and eliminate wasted effort. Henry Gantt, the master of project management, created the Gantt chart to visualize project schedules. Henry Ford's assembly line revolutionized manufacturing, proving that mass production could be incredibly efficient. Taiicho Ohno, the mastermind behind the Toyota production system, focused on eliminating waste and continuous improvement. Why should you care about IE? It all boils down to one word: productivity. Productivity is about doing more with less. In a world of fierce competition and dwindling resources, productivity is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. Industrial engineers are like productivity ninjas, armed with techniques to optimize processes, eliminate waste, and boost efficiency. Increased productivity can lead to higher wages for workers, lower prices for consumers, and a higher standard of living for everyone. By reducing waste, we're conserving precious resources and protecting the environment. IE is about making things better, faster, and more efficient, benefiting businesses, consumers, and the planet. Before we can improve productivity, we need a way to measure it. That's where work systems come in. A work system includes all the elements involved in a process, from people and machines to materials and information. To measure productivity, we look at the relationship between inputs and outputs. Common productivity metrics include labor productivity, machine productivity, and multi-factor productivity. By tracking these metrics, we can identify areas for improvement and measure the impact of our efforts. It's like having a speedometer for your business, letting you know if you're speeding towards success or stuck in the slow lane. When it comes to boosting productivity, there's no better tool than workstudy. It's the detective work of industrial engineering. Workstudy involves two main techniques: method study and work measurement. Method study analyzes every step of a task to streamline the process and eliminate unnecessary movements or delays. Work measurement figures out how long each step should take when performed by a qualified worker at a standard pace. By fine-tuning each step in the process, we can unlock significant efficiency gains and optimize the overall workflow. Let's talk about building a factory. We're diving into the world of production facility design and layout. Designing a production facility is like playing Tetris on expert mode. You've got to fit all the pieces together efficiently. One of the first things we consider is plant location, looking at factors like proximity to suppliers and customers, transportation costs, and labor availability. There are different layout types to choose from, depending on the type of product and production process. The goal is to create a layout that minimizes material handling, reduces transportation distances, and allows for a smooth workflow. We also want to create a safe and ergonomic work environment for employees, because happy workers are productive workers. Imagine a symphony orchestra. Production planning and control is the conductor, ensuring all parts of the production process work together in harmony. Production planning figures out what to produce, how much to produce, and when to produce it. We analyze demand forecasts, capacity constraints, and available resources to create a master production schedule. Once we have a plan, we need to control the actual production process to make sure everything stays on track. Effective production planning and control helps to meet customer demand on time, minimize production costs, and optimize inventory levels. It's like having a well-oiled machine, with all the parts working together seamlessly to produce amazing results. Inventory is the lifeblood of many businesses, but it can also be a real pain. Managing it effectively is crucial for the smooth operation of any business. Too little inventory, and you risk production delays and unhappy customers. This can lead to lost sales and a damaged reputation. Too much and you're sitting on a pile of cash tied up in idle goods. Excess inventory can also lead to increased storage costs and potential obsolescence. Inventory control is the art and science of finding that sweet spot, having enough inventory on hand to meet demand without breaking the bank. It involves careful planning and constant monitoring. Popular inventory control methods include economic order quantity, EOQ, material requirements planning, MRP, and just-in-time, JIT. Each method has its own advantages and is suited to different types of businesses. Choosing the right inventory control method depends on factors like the type of business, industry norms, and the characteristics of the inventory itself. It's important to tailor your approach to your specific needs. Effective inventory control helps businesses to reduce inventory holding costs, which can be a significant expense. It also helps in maintaining the right balance of stock. By minimizing stockouts and production delays, businesses can improve cash flow and optimize storage space. This leads to more efficient operations and better financial health. By taming the inventory beast, businesses can free up valuable resources, improve their bottom line, and keep their operations running smoothly. This can lead to increased profitability and growth. Inventory control is crucial for maintaining a balance between supply and demand. It ensures that businesses can operate without interruptions and meet customer expectations consistently. It ensures that businesses can meet customer needs without overstocking or understocking. This balance is key to customer satisfaction and long-term success. We've talked a lot about efficiency, but we can't forget about the most important element of any work system, the human element. That's where ergonomics comes in. Ergonomics is about designing workplaces, tools, and tasks to fit the people who use them, not the other way around. Industrial engineers use ergonomic principles to design workstations that promote good posture, select tools that minimize the risk of musculoskeletal disorders, and arrange work tasks to reduce repetitive motions. By focusing on ergonomics, businesses can reduce the risk of workplace injuries, improve employee comfort, and boost productivity. Ergonomics is a win-win for both employers and employees. It's about creating a workplace where people can thrive both physically and mentally. In the world of industrial engineering, we have a mantra: eliminate waste. This principle drives us to constantly seek out inefficiencies and eradicate them. This relentless pursuit of value is at the heart of concepts like lean manufacturing and the Toyota production system. These methodologies focus on streamlining processes, reducing waste, and enhancing productivity. One powerful tool in our arsenal is value engineering. This technique is essential for optimizing both products and processes. It's a systematic approach to analyzing the function of a product or process and finding ways to achieve the same or better performance at a lower cost. By scrutinizing every aspect, we can uncover hidden opportunities for improvement. Value engineering involves identifying the functions, understanding their importance, and determining how they contribute to the overall product or process. Evaluating the cost of each function, challenging the functions, and developing creative solutions are key steps. This thorough analysis helps us to innovate and find cost-effective alternatives. It's about being smart and innovative, leveraging the latest technologies and methodologies to enhance efficiency. Finding ways to deliver maximum value to the customer while minimizing waste and unnecessary expenses is our ultimate goal. This ensures that resources are used wisely and effectively. Value engineering isn't about cutting corners or sacrificing quality. Instead, it's about maintaining high standards while optimizing costs. It's about delivering the best possible product or service in the most efficient way. This approach not only benefits the company, but also ensures customer satisfaction and loyalty. We can't forget about the folks who make it all happen, the workers. They are the backbone of any organization, tirelessly contributing their skills and efforts to ensure everything runs smoothly. Fair compensation is key to motivating and retaining talented employees. When workers feel valued and fairly compensated, they are more likely to stay committed and perform at their best. Job evaluation is a systematic process for comparing different jobs within an organization and determining their relative worth. This process ensures that each role is assessed based on its responsibilities, required skills, and overall contribution to the company. It involves identifying job factors, weighting job factors, assigning points to jobs, and establishing a pay structure. Each step is crucial in creating a transparent and fair compensation system. Job evaluation helps to ensure that compensation is fair and equitable across the organization and that pay is aligned with the value that each job contributes. This not only promotes fairness but also helps in maintaining a balanced and motivated workforce. By establishing a fair and objective system for determining pay, organizations can attract and retain top talent, improve employee morale, and create a more positive and productive work environment. A well-structured pay system can lead to higher job satisfaction and reduced turnover rates. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder, and constantly striving for improvement. Continuous evaluation and adjustment of job roles and compensation can lead to sustained success. Now go forth and engineer some awesome. Embrace the principles of fair compensation and job evaluation to build a thriving and dynamic workplace.